So this is what happens when you have a slab leak. Is it wet?
No. Water.
Oh, where's the water coming from then? Shouldn't it be wet? We should turn the water on and see where it is. The pipe, what is that?
This?
Yeah, that's broken, isn't it? Or no?
No. But you want to see where...
There's two pipes right there?
We want to see where it goes this way.
Oh.
We want to see that. But that pipe it's going this way.
You need a smaller shovel?
For this.
Oh, this one?
But this pipe right here, it's going down in there this way. But I don't know which pipe he wants to see. This one or that one.
And dig around the pipes. Keep digging it out. What did Daddy say? Dig it out?
What?
You just said dig it out?
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of dirt for this.
That's a lot of dirt for that, yeah. Oh my
It's
gosh.
probably packed in.
To be continued.